Hello and welcome to this quick tour of a one-bedroom in the Creek Sunset Tower. Here we have the kitchen with gas hob room and fridge, the living and dining room. We'll get a better angle of that. Good size. Terrace, balcony, large balcony. This one's just looking into the community. But yeah, awesome terrace which actually connects to the bedroom, one of one. So access to the balcony from bedroom and living area. Bedroom features built-in wardrobe space. The bathroom is opposite. Standing shower, good quality finish, and room for laundry just here with closed off doors. For more information, please give me a WhatsApp or a call.